Hello students, welcome back to the online class, and I hope you are studying well at home, so study properly. So today we are going to do a continuation of the chapter which we were doing previously. So the chapter was chapter number 4, topic Our Beautiful Country. So let's focus to the spotlight. In this video we are going to cover the desert and mountains, and this video will be our part 2. The journey to the desert. After completing the tour to the plateau, we reached to the Jaisalmer in Rajasthan, the desert region. This region is mostly covered with the sand all around. We can see very less amount of water. So after completing the tour of the plateau, we reached the Jaisalmer in Rajasthan, a desert region, as we are going to read over this Rajasthan. So this region is mostly covered with sand all around, as you can see in the image of your left hand side. So we can see a very less amount of water. So over here we can find a very less amount of water, so that it is very dry, and as you can see the example over here, how the tree is very dry. Now the people of Rajasthan. The people wear colorful clothes here, as you can see in the image, how the people are wearing a colorful clothes. The people who live in Rajasthan are known as Rajasthani. The people who used to live in Rajasthan are called known as Rajasthani. We get all the famous, the Rajasthani thali has the every restaurant which is very delicious. So the famous Rajasthani thali we can get in every restaurant which is very delicious. So mostly the people focused in the business as their occupation. So people used to focus for their, they used to be busy with the business only, and as for their occupation. Now we have language spoken in Rajasthan. So mostly the Rajasthani language is spoken here. The Rajasthani language is spoken here. The other than Rajasthani, the Sindhi is the most spoken in southwest of Rajasthan. Marwari and Hindi are also the main language of Rajasthan. So those two languages are also the main language of Rajasthan. The vegetation of Rajasthan. There is a very scarcity of rainfall, hence the scanty vegetation is found here. So due to a very scarcity, means a very lack of rainfall, hence the vegetation is found here. Very rarely we can find, due to the hot and dry, vegetation is very rare over here. The plants are almost the ground hugging shrub and the short woody trees used to find over here, as you can see in the image. All the leaves are rivulet packed with nutrients. Some examples of these kinds of plants are trunk-tunes, bushes, prickly pears and brittle bush used to find over here. The climate of Rajasthan. It is very difficult to lay the roads and railway lines due to sand. Due to sandy area, it is very difficult to lay the roads and railway lines over here. Dust storms are very common in this area, and the temperature during the summer rise up to 50 degrees Celsius. During the summer season, it used to rise up to 50 degrees Celsius. So it will be very hot over here. This is because of the reason like this, that the few people live in the desert. Because of this reason only, the people used to live in the desert very less. There are very less amount of rainfall we can experience. The desert region, the summer are hottest and the winter are coldest. In the desert area, the summer are very hot and the winter will be very coldest. Now, journey to the mountains. We continue our journey towards Uttarakhand and cross important towns like Bikaner, Panipat, Muzaffarnagar, Rishikesh and Uttarkashi. Rishikesh and Uttarkashi are the two religion places where the Hindu go for worship. As you can see in the left hand side, the Rishikesh and right hand side Uttarkashi, those two places, two religion places where the Hindu go for worship. We can see the many sceneries and the mountains. That's why the every people want to visit the mountains in their life. So over here there will be many beautiful sceneries, mountains. That's why the people want to go to visit the mountains in their life. Now we have visit to the Nanda Devi National Park. The Nanda Devi National Park is situated in the higher range of Himalayas. The Nanda Devi National Park is situated in the higher range of Himalayas. It is very higher range of the Himalayas. The Nanda Devi 7,800 is the highest, the second highest peak in the India. The peak is surrounded by the mountains on the three sides. This has declared the World Heritage Site by UNESCO. So it has been also declared the World Heritage Site by UNESCO also. Now we have Himalayas. The Himalayas are also known as the young fold mountains because they are formed by the fold of the earth crust. When the two plates or the part of the earth move towards each other and close the rock slowly and rise to form the mountains, as you can see in the image, how the mountain used to form. Those mountains are 10 to 25 million years old and have conical peaks. So those mountains are 10 to 25 million years old and have conical peaks. The mountains. The mountains are the landforms that are very higher than the surrounded area. So mountains are very higher than the surrounded area. They have a greater height and a pretty steep as well as. They have a very great height and pretty steep. As you can see in the image, they have a very pretty steps as well as they have a very great height. At the time they have a sharp peak. At the sometimes they have a little around. The highest peak is the top pointed of the mountains. The hills are similar region of the mountain. Hills are smaller regions of the mountains. So hills used to be smaller than the mountains. A mountain range is the collection of the mountains that are located in the close to each other. So mountain range are the collection of the mountains that is located in the close to each other. So mountains are the collections of the mountains that used to be located close to each other. As you can see in the image, how they are close to each other. Example, the Himalayan mountain range, as you can see in the image. That's all for today's class. See you in the next video. And the chapter need to be continued. Okay, and also do the 5 major things which I have shown you. Till then, stay home, Stay safe. Take care.